going there? You grabbing the phone? Huh? Where you going, big girl? Where you going? Where you going, big girl? Where you going? Where you going, big girl? Where you going? Huh? You trying to get the phone? Huh? Hey, Grandma. Where you going? Where you going, big girl? Don't rub your eyes. No, no. No, no. Grandma says no. Grandma says no. Don't rub your eyes. Where you going? Where you trying to go? Where you trying to go? You take that hand out your mouth. You take that thumb out your mouth. No, you're not allowed to suck your fingers. Where you going? Where you going? Where you going? Where you going, big girl? Where you going? Where you going? Where you going? What you watching, Christina?
I don't know, I was just hearing something they were talking about that show, The Bachelor.
Uh-huh.